Well, during the first move, things didn't turn out all right. You know, I just shut it off. There'll be a video where I just shut it off, and after it's running so good, and video right here, barely hear it. Y'all can see the timing light going off over there with the, yeah, it looks a little, it's even on my end. It's the frequency rate of the camera. But you can see we're doing good. Then I took it off. I turned it off. And then next day I decided I'm gonna go ahead and move it out in the yard because tires are bad and all. So since tires are bad, and you know, the video of me and my wife bleeding the brakes. What's that?
Now the Cadillac has a roar in it. I'm stopped now. I know you can't hear it.
Then I go to start it up. Then I had to stop and do a lot of diagnostic, well, real quick diagnostic work. The only answer is the valve got stuck in its guide. As you can tell in my voice, there's a lot of disgust. So it hasn't moved. It's a couple days later, finally getting time. If you see me looking over here, I got my laptop up because I'm waiting on emails to work on some stuff from work. So let's get this head off, see what happens.